10 tips to prevent burnout while building a business. Burnout can be a real issue while you're burning a business, let alone if you're a mama trying to balance work, family, finances, everything at the same time. So here are some actionable steps that you can take to prevent burnout. Tip 1 is stick to a 2-hour income earning activity day. So if you have a lot going on, stick to your 2-hour income earning day so that you know that you're getting done what you need to get done that's going to actually move the needle. If you need to know more about how to do the 2-hour workday, check out my video on that. The second tip is to automate and delegate. So automations, having a system set up for automations is going to help you so that your business is working for you 24/7 while you are doing what you need or want to do. And if there's anything you can delegate, whether it be, having someone else pick up the groceries or someone else schedule your appointments, or if you're appointing your business where you're hiring an admin, anything you can do to delegate some of the duties, having someone else in your household help you with the chores, delegating will free up your time as well. Step 3 is to create boundaries and work hours. So just like you would have work hours if you went to a 9-to-5, create set work hours for yourself to work on your business. This doesn't mean you have to do the whole entire 2 hours at the exact same time. You can chunk that up into 30-minute increments or whatever you need, but make sure you block it out and put it as though it's an appointment on your calendar so that you actually commit to it. Step 4 is to batch create content. So if you have a day where you can get all of your videos done in one day and have them ready to go, and then another day where maybe you spend time editing them all and uploading them, that will free up time so that on your really busy days, you're not as stressed out trying to get things done. Step 5 is to prioritize self-care, making sure you are getting enough fluids, getting your water, eating healthy meals, and moving your body on a. Tip 6 is to stay connected to your why. Why are you doing this? Why are you building a business? What is it going to provide for you in the future? If you need more help with that, go to my section on how to come up with your why. Number 7 is stay engaged within the community. You're not alone in this. You might be building your business alone, but you have a community of other mamas who are here doing the exact same thing you are. Don't isolate yourself. Staying connected helps you prevent burnout. Tip number 8 is stop trying to do everything all at once. This is definitely something that I am guilty of and have to check myself on, because I get these ideas and I just want to do it all and get it all done, and there's never enough time in a day to get it all done. But that is a quick way to burn yourself out. So that leads into step 9, which is take breaks without guilt. We all deserve a break. Get outside, rest. When your husband comes home, can take the kids for a few minutes, go for a walk by yourself, whatever it is you love to do, take some time to rest and recharge. And tip number 10 is track your progress and adjust as needed. So if you're continually doing something over and over and over again and it's not moving the needle and it's taking up a lot of time, see that and make some tweaks and make some changes. That will help you focus your time on the activities that are actually going to move the needle.